Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Azan Mushtaq from India, age 22 years old. I am a male Muslim who practices judo. In my training group, I am the only male and therefore I often have to practice with female partners. It is important to note that the female participants, including myself, wear uniforms that cover our entire bodies and they also wear hijab. Given these circumstances, is it permissible in Islam for me to continue training in this manner? Brother Azan Mushtaq from India says that he goes for training classes and he's learning judo. But the classes he goes has all females, he's the only male in that class. And while practicing, he has to practice judo with the female partners. And he's saying that they're in full hijab, they're completely covered, they wear hijab, may be wearing clothes. Is it permissible or not? Number one, intermingling of sexes is not permitted in Islam. And you're talking about judo. I know cases in which there are all male students learning judo and one female wants to join, I've heard. The first time in my life I'm hearing that there are all female judo students and a male wants to join. I've never heard that, also Muslim. First time I'm hearing. I want to ask the question that in your city, isn't there any classes of judo or martial arts which are only males? It's absurd. I've never heard in India that only female, that also judo. So point number one is that there should not be intermingling of sexes, and especially in judo there is not only intermingling, there is physical contact. Judo is one type of martial art in which there is excessive physical contact. You have to hold the partner, you have to throw the partner over. Imagine you're holding a lady, and because even I've done martial arts, I've done judo, I've done karate, I've done taekwondo, I know you have to catch the uniform and throw your partner over. Imagine you're catching a woman and throwing her over. How can you ask such a question that can I practice judo with a female? If you're asking can I study in co-education also, it is wrong. But you're asking me can I practice judo? And when she catches you and she's throwing you, you're touching her. And touching a namaram is not permitted in Islam. Intermingling is not permitted. Here you're touching. You have to touch, you may have to touch the hand, touch the body, catch the uniform and throw them over. So in no way it is totally haram. There is no out of doubt. So my request to you would be immediately stop it. Immediately, from today, from now onwards. And see to it that if you want to learn martial arts, join a class which is exclusively only of males. There should not be intermingling. And if you don't have judo, you can taekwondo, you can do the various martial arts available. It will keep you fit, inshallah. But see to it that you avoid intermingling of sexes. Hope that answers the question.